We're here at Hoover Dam, the infamous Hoover Dam. Very cool. What a structure. We got randomly chosen for security too, how to get the car searched and all that. Because I look suspect. Very cool. There's a visitor center down there, the dam. And ooh, that's like a hell of a spot right there.
One in Vegas, I didn't do much research on.
Oops. Right over here. They died to make the desert clean. Many who toured it. Huh. Memory of our fellow men who lost their lives in the construction of this dam. Yep, I'd have to look up how many people actually did die when building this thing. Think about old Hoover Dam, Nick. It's pretty wild looking, ain't it?
I just can't every time, dude. I just always think of Vegas Vacation, Cousin Eddie.
Oh.
Take all the damn pictures you want on this damn tour. Are there any damn questions?
Yeah.
We're gonna get some damn bait.
I forgot about that. It's like, we weren't even like, we looked at this up the other day, but really we're just on our way to Flagstaff and going to Santa Fe. Well, we didn't kind of plan on this. We're just like, we got off the road to get some food, and we were just like, oh, there's Hoover Dam, 4 miles away. Might as well check it out. So yeah, glad we did. It is really cool. I'm interested in this. I'm not a geologist or anything, but I'm gonna bet like that's like erosion or something.
Yeah, it's the water level.
That's what we used to be. Wow. It's really cool looking at. Ain't nothing like this massive structure providing no telling how much energy. I mean, I don't know, I'm sure some of y'all probably know more facts about the Hoover Dam, like exactly how many states or how many people this helps power.
It's pretty much like the whole.
Yeah, I would think so. Power, water storage, irrigation, navigation, and flood control. Those are the pillars, the functions. It's just, yeah, I was looking at that thing over there. I was filming that, and I said, like, in memory of all the people who lost their lives building this thing, like no telling, like, I don't know. I mean, do you know?
I remember hearing something about that, dude. It was like the average was like 7 people a month.
That's crazy. Yeah. I mean,
something
God.
crazy like that, dude.
I mean, it's like you don't have to look at this to, you don't have to be an expert on anything to know. Like, yeah, building this was probably quite dangerous.
And when it was built too.
In the 20s and 30s, or when was this? I don't even know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
But I know it was like a while.
I'll get rusted in the comment like this dude on that Roswell. This guy on the Roswell, a short. It was just a short when we were in Roswell. It was like, you got all that wrong. Or something like, because I got the decade wrong when the UFO crashed there, or something like that. It's funny.
Well, that's what we need, though. If we are wrong, tell us we're wrong.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
We'll correct it.
We're not claiming to be experts on anything.
No.
That's why you got. If you're that worried,
if
you're that worried about it, Google search it. Go to AI. That's what all that. That's what all that's for, folks.
Haircut across here.
Oh.
Hey, come on, Smith.
Oh yeah. There we go. This would also make a really cool slide if you just slid all the way down there and there's like a ramp right to the river. It'd be your last slide down, but it'd be worth it.
So
another thing about the dam. So technically, I'm pretty sure we're in Arizona. We got Arizona time right now. We parked our car back in Nevada.
So we got to walk to Nevada.
Yeah, we got to walk back to Nevada to get to our car, and then to go to the visitor center too. We'll hit that up.
1931.
1931 is when it was built.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Or they finished it or started it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Name of the honor, Hoover Clark. Hoover.
Herbert?
Herbert Hoover? 31st president of the U.S. Herbert Hoover was the director of the FBI.
Yeah, I guess so. I think that's
Obviously, too. No, that's another. That's J. Edgar Hoover. My bad. Franklin Roosevelt, Boulder Canyon Project. I ain't reading all that. Alrighty. I can now say I've taken a dump at Hoover Dam. That's right. Seriously, like, got the gold doors, marble, everything. That's.
it's a pretty fancy bathroom.
I'm like blown away, like how fancy that freaking bathroom was. It's like, how about Hoover Dam on a mountain at a power plant, basically? Like, it was like all marble, gold doors. The urinals were like really fancy, like they're they're like not attached to the wall. They're like in the ground.
It's like a commode that's a urinal.
Yeah, that's a urinal. It's wild looking.
Right.
But yeah, so Mark, check another whatever you want to call it.
National Park?
Natural park or weird place that I've taken a dump at, Hoover Dam, That's yeah.